हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। ओके, सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं इंडस टावर्स लिमिटेड शेयर्स के बारे में। लेकिन कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है, इंडस टावर्स लिमिटेड। ओके, लेट्स मूव। ओके, सो गाइस, इंडस टावर्स शेयर प्राइस, स्टॉक एनालिसिस एंड रिकॉर्ड्स। सेक्टर टेलीकम्युनिकेशंस, इंडस्ट्री टेलीकम्युनिकेशंस। करंट मार्केट प्राइस 193, लाइव मार्केट प्राइस 192.90 विथ अ टारगेट प्राइस ऑफ रुपीज़ 250। 250 का टारगेट है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। टेक्निकल चार्ट, इंडस टावर्स लिमिटेड, ROE आउट परफॉर्मिंग 5 स्टार एवरेज। Company deliver ROE of 28.77% in year ending 31st March 2022, outperforming its 5-year average of 22.2%. Source consolidated financials. Insights, key metrics, returns. Key metrics: PE ratio 10.95, EPS TTM 17.62, market capital 51,864.06 crore, sectoral market capital rank 3, PB ratio 2.33, dividend yield 5.70, face value 10, beta 1.11, VWAP 193, 52 peak low high 307 and 1 at 1.20. Indus Towers share price returns 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, 3 years and 5 years. Okay. Indus Tower news and analysis. Indus Tower share analyze. Records. Indus Tower share recommendation, strong buy. Financials. Indus Towers balance sheets, cash flow ratios, MD and A. Ratios, cash flow, balance sheets and income, profit and loss. Quarterly, annual, September 2022, betting 3-year revenue CAGR. Company's annual revenue growth of 96.34% outperform its 3-year CAGR of 55.68%. Source consolidated financials. Okay, total income 8,029.50, total income growth plus 14.87, total expenses 6,462.10, total expenses growth plus 9.26, EBITDA 1,567.40, EBITDA growth plus 45.75, profit after tax PAT 871.80, PAT growth plus 82.65, EBITDA margin 19.52, net profit margin 10.86, basic EPS 3.23. Forecast, technicals, (49% positive movement since 1st Jan 2005 on intraday basis, 51% negative movement since 1st Jan 2005 on intraday basis. Pivot levels: classic R1, R2, R3, S1, S2, S3. Pivot 192.72, average true range ATR 5 days, 14 days and 28 days. Peer comparison: Indus Towers, Tejas Networks and Railtel Corporation, Nelco Limited. Technical chart, ratios performs. Stock returns versus Nifty 100. Stock gave a 3-year return of minus 5.38% as compared to Nifty 100, which gave a return of 51.43% as of last trading season. Shareholding pattern, total shareholdings. Quarter on quarter change. Category 30 June 2022. Okay, promoters 68.81, pledge 30.58, FII 29.02, DII 0.56, mutual fund 0.55, others 1.61. Mutual fund ownership. First, ICICI Prudential Nifty Next 50 Index Direct Growth Equity Large Cap rating for 1, 35.83%. Okay, amount invested 35.83 crore, 1.48% annual plus 0.34% change month to month basis. Okay, then second, UTI Hybrid Equity Direct Growth Hybrid Aggressive Hybrid rating 3 star, amount invested 31.45 crore, 0.73% annual, 0.00 change month to month basis. Okay, then third, UTI Nifty Next 50 Index Fund Direct Growth Equity Large Cap rating 2 star, amount invested 29.42 crore, 1.49% annual plus 1.90% change month to month basis. F&O code, corporate action, Indus Towers dividend, about Indus Towers, okay, Indus Towers Limited incorporated in the year 2006 is a large cap company having a market capital of rupees 51,621.52 crore, operating in telecommunication sector, like telecommunication company होगी. Indus Towers Limited key product revenue segment include income from infrastructure activity for the year ending 31st March 2022. Okay, financials. For the quarter ended 39/2022, the company has reported a consolidated total income of rupees 8,029.50 crore, up 14.87% from last quarter. Total income of rupees 6,989.80 crore and up 15.21% from last year same quarter. Total income of rupees 6,969.20 crore. Company has reported net profit after tax of rupees 871.80 crore in latest quarter. Okay, company has Deloitte Haskins and Sells LLP as its auditors. As on 36/2022, the company has a total of 269.49 crore shares outstanding. N. Kumar, Chairman and Director, and Bimal Dayal, Managing Director and CEO, Industry, Telecommunication and Allied Services. Location: Building number 10, Tower A, Gurugram, Haryana 122002, India. Okay, so guys, Indus Towers Limited, sector telecommunication, industry telecommunications, live market price 192.90 with a target price of ₹250. कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है. ओके, सो गाइज आज के लिए बस इतना ही. कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए. नमस्कार. बोलो राधे राधे.